What's up, locals? We're at Tuta's Teriyaki here on North Broadway. We're gonna get some grub. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
Hey, this is Darrin. So I'm pretty excited about trying a new place today. Just randomly found something on Google when Troy was saying, hey, where do you want to go eat today? So I suggested this place, Tuta's.
Tuta's.
Tuta's. I don't have anything to snap. Anyway, hey, so we're at Tuta's. No, while I was waiting for Troy, I saw a guy come in and he was totally talking about, he's a regular, and he likes to eat here at least 3 times a week. So I just said, hey, what's good to get here? And he said, man, everything. It's, get anything with teriyaki, which it's in the name, so why would I not get something with teriyaki? So I opted for the chicken, beef, and pork, and fried rice option. Troy also kind of pulled in some fried egg rolls. I think he threw
crab
us
ragoon.
Crab ragoon too. So no sweet and sour this time, but it looks like he's giving us some teriyaki sauce. Hence the teriyaki in the name. Anyway, this looks really good. Lots of sauce. Looks like it's got a couple of carrots in it, and fried rice, and just sesame seeds. This looks yummy. So I'm going to go in for a quick bite. Looks like a little piece of beef. Really good, really good. About a piece of pork. That was actually chicken. It's in disguise with that teriyaki sauce on it. It's actually pretty juicy. I mean, the teriyaki kind of covers a little bit, but I'm not chewing on it like I'm eating a piece of bubble gum. So that's a good thing. And then the beef. But again, with the teriyaki sauce, it's not dry. A little more chewier than the other options, but overall, I like the 3 meats that I selected. Pretty happy about that. So, going in for another one, and back to Troy.
Thanks, Darrin. I went ahead and got at a new place. I kind of like to scour the menu for just kind of the basic. And so this place is called Tuta's Teriyaki. So I got the chicken teriyaki with fried rice. I like it a lot better than steamed. So I'm just gonna get a big bite of rice and chicken here, and here we go. That's pretty good. The chicken is moist. It is not dry at all. Darrin's giggling because I said moist. That's what I was trying to get out of that. So I hope you're giggling at home too. Yeah, the teriyaki sauce is good. Tastes just like a normal teriyaki. Yeah, the chicken's not dry at all, so that's really good. The fried rice has peas and carrots. It's cooked perfectly. It sometimes you get that fried rice, it's still a little crunchy, or it's like too fluffy. This is just even keel right in the middle. Good. All in all, it's a pretty good dish. All right, so we got crab ragoon, and here they're kind of flat. Sometimes you get them where they're kind of like folded together and everything, but here they're flat, so I'm gonna tear it open. And it doesn't look like there's much stuff in the middle here, but I'm just gonna taste it without the teriyaki first. I do taste it, and it's got a good flavor. And this thing is crunchy on the outside, and through the middle it's a little soft, which I don't mind. But I do wish they had a lot more crab in here, because it's really kind of hard to taste. It's more of a like fried tortilla pancake little thingy here. But yeah, if they had more, I'd certainly buy some more of these. What do you think about that egg roll, Darrin?
So this is a really good looking egg rolls, nicely fried. Got some teriyaki sauce, but I'm going to actually just try it alone first. Pretty traditional. Taste the meat, the carrot, all the nice fixings that are inside. I can tell the meat's a little juicy. It's good, but I'm going to let's do some dipping. Let's go crazy. Oh no, I lost a piece of meat. There we go. That was the way to go. These aren't terribly too big, so I could obviously eat more than 2, but 2 is kind of what comes to an order. But as a quick little appetizer, 2, 3, or 4 of these actually would be just right for me, and along with a nice plate. I went up to the counter because I spotted a whole tray of these. He's got some chili sauce. I wanted to add that to my teriyaki. So I've already tasted this. It's got some heat. So I'm just doing just a little bit, taking my little knife and just kind of spreading this around, spreading some cheer around my dish. And it's going to spice this up just a little bit. Do you like spicy? Because I do. Because, you know, us that live local, we love to eat.
Hey guys, don't forget to check out our website where you can go get your t-shirts. We got black ones, red ones, blue ones. Go check that out. As always, I am Troy.
And I'm Darren.
We're reminding you to live local. See you next time.
See ya.
Tuta's Teriyaki. Right?
We are.
Why are you laughing?
How you're pronouncing Tutas, like it was Titas.
Or tatas. How do you pronounce this place?
You don't pronounce it like you're trying to say El Pico.
El Pico.
El Pico.
El Pico. That's right. How do you say this? Tutus?
We'll go with Tutas. Here on South Broadway.
What's?
No, we're not on South Broadway.
We're on North Broadway, right? We don't know where we are.